You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -6. Let's solve it step by step. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 2x over 3 from both sides. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 2 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 3 over -1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals -6.